Hi guys, in this video we will see how to reset the level of HP cartridge. First, remove the cartridge from the printer. Now, with tape, we must cover the first contact of the second row. Then remount the cartridge into the printer. The printer will say that there is a problem with the cartridge. Ignore the message and click OK. Remove the cartridge again and cover the last of the third row or the first of the fifth. Remount and obviously new error. Remove the cartridge and the piece of tape. Install the cartridge for the last time and then the level is reset. In the same way we can do it for the color cartridge. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel for don't miss the future videos.